Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to recover deleted emails on your Gmail account. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's just say we're going through inbox here and perhaps we accidentally delete one of our emails. So let's say this Andy from Google. I selected that and I deleted it out of our inbox. You can see it's no longer here. No matter how much I click on inbox or I refresh the page, it's not going to reappear in the inbox folder. This tutorial will show you guys how to restore it back to the inbox folder. So in order to do that, we're going to go down to the More option on the left side. We want to just left click on that one time. Left click on Trash, and now you see our emails listed in here. Please keep in mind anything that's been deleted over 30 days prior will be automatically deleted. So that's just a little side note. But once you located the email you want to restore, just left click inside the box next to it in order to turn it on or activate it or select it, whatever you want to call it. And just check mark inside the box next to whatever the email address sender is that you want it to recover. And then go up to the folder icon near the top, and when you hover over it, it says Move To. Left click on that, and then you want to left click on Inbox. This will remove it out of the trash and put it into our inbox, and you can see it has reappeared from Andy. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.